Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Fast Force Profits review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and affiliate commissions have recently come in. I'm live in my members area here, just refresh the dashboard, and you'll see so far my total earned is $117.98. But I also want to show you how my matrix is growing. I'll come to this a bit later on in the video because there's some important information here on how you get paid. You'll see I've come down now 7 generations and I've got a team of 50 within my matrix. Excuse me. But more importantly in this video, I want to show you how you can join our team through a link in the description, or if you're just looking for some more information, there are some more videos on there as well, which will give you a bit more of an insight into what Fast Force Profits is all about. Fast Force Profits is not just an income stream. There's massive traffic. Now, one of the best features of this system is that your traffic grows bigger every single month. And I'll come to that shortly and show you how that works. People are saying this is the highest paying matrix within the affiliate marketing industry. So we'll come to that and show you how that works. There's fast start bonuses. Now, the potential of the fast start bonus means that you can potentially get into passive income profit faster. There is a profitable passive monthly income program, but it's not just the income that you can earn from that. It means that you can also get your traffic for free. And I do always recommend, if you're watching any of my other videos on traffic, I always recommend becoming an affiliate. Don't just join and get the traffic. Become an affiliate and get your traffic for free as an absolute minimum. There are check matching bonuses within the compensation plan, and that's where you can potentially earn the bigger money. So we are officially the fastest growing team within Fast Force Profits, so you may get spillover. That's the way the matrix works, because from those above you, when their matrix is filled, the new members have to come down into your matrix. No guarantees, but you may get spillover by joining a fast growing team. This is really interesting. 70% are upgrading to a tri-pack. Now, what that means is that you get your traffic faster, but also you can potentially earn more passive monthly commissions. There will be an income and product disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income claims, any product claims, or any guarantees in this video. It's for educational purposes only. So let's have a look now. So this is your members area here. You've got all your members information down the left hand side in the menu. But let's have a look now at the matrix. This is where the magic happens. Now, I did mention earlier about tri-packs. You can join with a single pack, but when you join with a tri-pack, what happens is you'll see that my name is here and here. So when you join as a tri-pack, you automatically get 2 extra positions in the matrix, and that qualifies you for check matching bonus. And that's one of the reasons why 70% are upgrading. So I'll just go through the matrix here and show you a few things. So I referred Roy Gordon. Now Roy's got a team of 16 coming down 2 levels. So if I click on one of Roy's legs here, in this leg, you'll see that Jason's bought a tri-pack. You'll see that Mike hasn't, but Zach has. All right, so this is how your team can build. Just go back and have a look at one of Scott's other legs. In this leg here, you'll see that William has bought a single pack, but over here, Stephen has bought a tri-pack. So the tri-packs are converting very, very well. Now, I referred Ahmed. Now, you see, Ahmed's got a team of 30. So you can get paid on those in the matrix below you as they build and get spillover as well. Now, in this team here, in this leg here, there's 18. But Ahmed is really getting some good leaders in. He's got Bob's bought a tri-pack and Phil getting his check matching bonus. Next level, Tom's bought a tri-pack, so he's also getting check matching bonus as he builds. Over here, Earl has bought a tri-pack. Terry has also got a tri-pack. And over here, Earl has referred Richard. Richard's also bought a tri-pack. So I don't want to spend the whole of the video going through all these different legs, but you can see that 70% are upgrading. Now these little stars here, this green star, this red star and this yellow star, I'll come to shortly, because you can earn more commissions depending on the rank that you get within Fast Force Profits. So the link in the description will take you to this page here with these videos. And I highly recommend you watch these videos. If you want to get started, then just click on the buttons below the videos. But you'll see here, this is a super powerful compensation plan that pays more than any matrix we've seen in the industry. This is the tri-pack earnings potential. So if you watch the video on that, you can get more information. And also on the same page, this is information here further on in the video about the check matching bonuses. Excuse me. And the different potential of earnings there on the different generations and levels. So lots more information on the link in the description. I do recommend watching that. Now, the traffic is SafeList traffic. Now, I've been using SafeList traffic more or less from the beginning of my affiliate marketing journey. And you'll see that I'm a member, an upgraded member of each and every one of these safe lists here. And what happens is you can email out to large numbers. I've emailed out in this video here to 800,000 prospects within minutes. And that's what Fast Force Profit is going to allow you to do. It's going to allow you to email out to thousands. Now, the beauty of these safe lists is that they include tier 1 traffic and they include buyers. So by using a lead capture page, you can take them from the safe list onto your own email list. And it's a pre-built audience, so perfect for beginners that haven't got a social media following or haven't got an email list. So I'll just shortly come to that and show you how your traffic can grow every single month. These are the rank levels. And then if you look down here, the stars that I showed you, the green, red and yellow stars, then this is where you can unlock even more commissions. So if you sponsor 2, you become an explorer. That's what I am. And I'm unlocking first generation of 25% check matching bonus. And you'll see here as you go through, the more that you sponsor, this comes down second generation, 25% check matching bonus. Third generation for sponsoring 10. But as you come further up here, if you want to be very proactive and sponsor 50, you get to the celebrity rank level and you unlock 2% profit from the company, and then sponsor 100 and the company sharing 5% profits every single month. So the potential is there. Not only get your traffic for free, be getting to profitable passive income. Let's have a look at how your traffic can grow depending on which pack you buy. Your single pack at $9.95 a month is price here. So what happens is that qualifies you for the fast start bonus, but what you do is you get an elite safe list membership upgrade every month that you're active. So what happens is you're going to be Dave Mosher is the owner of 100 safe lists, and Dave Mosher is a safe list expert, an absolute grandmaster, and you're going to get upgraded every single month to a new safe list within Dave Mosher's safe list portfolio. So every month that you're active, you're going to get an upgrade. So your traffic's going to grow every single month. And we worked it out that after a year, you'll be promoting to over 500,000 prospects when you send out an email. With the tri-pack, it trebles your traffic. So $29.85 a month. You're also going to get all your fast start, but your traffic here is going to triple. You get an upgrade into 3 safe lists every single month. So by the end of the year, you'll be an upgraded member of 36 safe lists. And then they worked it out that it'll be about 1.5 million prospects you'll be emailing out to every time you send an email out. And you're also going to get some more bonuses down here with some excellent tools, unlimited capture pages, ad tracks and rotators. So depending on what's within your budget, then the link in the description will take you to a page where you can join and get more information on that. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more how to make money online videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon. And then on my channel here, I do several new uploads every week. If you've got any questions on Fast Force Profits, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer your questions for you. And I always put my email address in the description if you want to contact me through email. And I'll reply to you as soon as I can. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.